Hey guys, and welcome to the new unboxing video for my brand new PC for recording the YouTube videos for you lot. We're going to have a look at what the PC is. I'm going to explain what I'm going to be doing with it, and then we're going to see it all switched on and hooked up. Here it is, one big box of beautiful goodness. Shall we open it up and see what it's inside? So as you can see, it is from PC Specialist, and I'm very excited. So PC Specialist are a company that I use. I've used them for every other PC since, and basically you configure the PC and they build it and ship it out to you, which is really good because it means that you've got the parts you want built at professional quality, and they come with a 3-year standard warranty as well. Should we take it out of the box to see what's going on? So the cool thing about PC Specialist is they always send you a welcome pack. That includes the power cable, it includes any other PCIe ports that you may need, because they understand that you may end up upgrading it in the future, which is kind of cool. Alternatively, if you want to upgrade it, you can actually send it back to them. So that's kind of awesome and a really nice thing to get. Here she is. So what they do to keep it safe for transport is they actually put a protective kind of polystyrene thing to keep everything in place, which is kind of awesome. And then you've got the bits at the back. I upgraded the Wi-Fi, so it's got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz on it as well. Really nice front, very chic, very, very, very good. I like it, looks good. This is what the bad boy looks like when I've taken that out of it. Now, what I'm actually going to do is just switch it on. But it's got water cooling. CPU's got water cooling. It's got 16 gig of RAM. I was going to, or I was tempted to switch the RAM 6 over, but I don't really want to mess with cables and stuff because I'm clumsy, so I'm going to leave it. So it's got 16 gig of RAM. It's got 2060 8GB Super. It's got the PC Specialist FrostFlow radiator on it. And it's got a M.2 drive, an SSD, and a 1TB hard drive on it. Full RGB, and I am excited. Should we switch it on and see what happens? Let's do that. And there she is, guys. All on and ready to go. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will post the specs in the description down below with a link to PC Specialist as well. This is not sponsored content. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.